Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the recorder you will actually use. This is the only way we'll capture consistent clips. Once open, set a single, memorable hotkey and select your source, full screen, an app window, or a region. Make sure microphone and system audio levels are balanced so your clips have clear sound. You want minimal interruption, so disable overlays or background recorders that might conflict. Once configurations are steady, press your hotkey and record the first 30 seconds of the action to verify settings. Once you have raw footage, import it into the recorder's trim tool or a simple editor. This is where you refine the clip. Cut out dead frames and hold the parts that show the core action. Aim for concise segments, often between 0.5 and 3 seconds for highlight clips. Make sure transitions are clean and normalize audio so volume is consistent. While trimming, add a short file name or tags to make later retrieval simple. Save an editable copy before exporting a final format. To finish, export your clip in a universal format like MP4 with H.264. Choose 60 FPS for fast motion or 30 FPS for general use. Once exported, immediately save to a designated local folder and sync a copy to cloud storage so you never lose originals. If you encounter a failure, no recording, silent audio, or dropped frames, first verify hotkey conflicts, app permissions for screen and mic access, and free disk space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.